Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Groner, and we are here today to learn a new letter sound. Today's letter sound is the sound of D. D says D, D, D. Notice when I make that sound, my mouth is open, and it opens up as I make the sound. My tongue goes to the top of my mouth. Watch. D, D, D. You can even see my teeth when I make the sound of D. D, D, D. D, D, D. Just like that. D. Let's go ahead and make the shape of the letter D as big as we can in the air. This is how it goes. Start at the top, straight line down, up and around to the left. The sound of D is D, 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 D. Let's do that again. As big as you can. Start at the top, straight line down, up and curve around to the left. The sound of D is D, 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 D. Good. Let's go ahead and make that on our arm. Start at the top, straight line down, up and curve around to the left. The sound of D is D, 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 D. Again, start at the top, straight line down, up and curve around to the left. The sound of D is D, 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 D. Good, let's practice. D, D, D. D, D, D. D, D. D, D, D. D, D, D. D, D. D, D, D. D, D, D. D, 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 D. The sound of D is da 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 da. Great job. Thanks for practicing with me today, and I hope to see you again very soon.